Hazardous surf warning for the Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra coast down there in New South Wales for today. A gale warning's in place for the lower east southeast coast. Strong wind warning for the Frederick, Henry, Norfolk, Storm Bays, Channel, Central Plateau Lakes, far northwest, the central north coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, upper east coast, southwest and the central west coast. A fire weather warning is in place up there in the Northern Territory, Darwin and Adelaide River. A ridge of high pressure extends from Queensland to the Northern Territory and will direct dry, a moderate to fresh, gusty south east to northeasterly winds across the top end during today. And they actually had a fire emergency late yesterday afternoon into the evening. Now we have a look at the BSCH website. It's a GFS wind model, and again a look at the winds at the 850 millibars level. Each of these images are free hourly from 7 AM through to 1300 hours Tuesday, and the information is always at the bottom of the screen. Now we have a look at storm probabilities. Bureau Meteorology issued some storm warnings yesterday afternoon. Sydney currently is 19.3, expected maximum 28, Melbourne 9, nearly 10 Celsius, maximum 14. Going to be cold down there again. Supercell probabilities. Brisbane currently 16.1, expected maximum 28. Perth 14, expected temperature 28. Adelaide nearly 11 Celsius, and they're only going to be 15 Celsius today. Hobart 5.4 and a cool 10 degrees maximum. Bureau's 12 hourly rainfall. Canberra 15 Celsius and maximum 22. Darwin 22, reaching a high of 33. For Sydney, gusty afternoon, change, rain later. The Melbourne, shower or 2. Brisbane, sunny, mostly sunny for Perth. Adelaide, morning shower or 2. Hobart, showers clearing. Canberra, rain developing. Darwin, mostly sunny. The Bureau's total forecast rain, the rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. Now we have a look at the Bureau's radar network. We have a look at some of the Doppler radars. And the blue is towards the radar and the other colours away from the radar. And again, the activity is Melbourne and Tasmania. Also keeping an eye on a possible low to form off the New South Wales coast, and this is a look at the rain activity. Tasmania, and what does one say about the activity down there in Tasmania? And a little bit of activity to the north of Melbourne. And we'll have an update later on this afternoon. And the webcam is a apartment complex in Melbourne CBD, looking down on the Crown Casino.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.